Let's talk about sharing. Now, my mother has all these wonderful stories about me when I was younger, and I don't know what age it was, but I don't remember. And my sister would come in, she was older than I was, and she would want to play with my toys, and I didn't share. I went through this phase where I didn't share anything with anybody. I think I grew out of that. I enjoy sharing. Let's share an adjustment. Let's do this. Let's open up this one here, and this one that we opened up kind of a couple of lessons ago in this chapter. So I'm going to hold down the Control key and select both of them, and then double-click. They are in your exercise files. Okay, there they are. There's this one here on tab, and here's this one right here. Let's start by going to this one and coming down into our adjustments and doing a, what do we do? Let's go ahead and do something like a black and white. Now, in black and white, I do have the ability to change it, make all kinds of adjustments, and we do have these filters too if you want to use those. You can start with one of these if you want to, and then maybe make some changes at that point. And just play around just a little bit. Now we can add a tint if we want to. And you know what? I like that. I'm going to stop right there. If I want to change the tint, I can click this button right here, and I can get into any color that I want. But for some reason, I'm happy with this. I have other images I would like to share it with. Let me show you a couple of ways that you can do this. Here's the down and dirty easy way, but it requires something. The image that contains the change with the adjustment must be open. Let's go up to the word window on the pull-down menu and go down to arrange 2 up horizontal so we can see both of them. Now here's our original with the moo cows in it, and here's the one we absolutely love. If I want this adjustment to this one, I think you know where I'm going. Grab it here and drag it down. That's all you have to do. And there you go. An exact replica of the adjustment we did to the other one. Now let's go ahead and press undo. Love that key. Let's look at this another way. I may not have that image open, but I like the effect that I did. So let's come back over here to this one. Opens up this over here. It opens this up over here. Okay, so we can see here's the adjustment and here's the image. Make sure you have the adjustment selected over here. Now, go over to your options button right there and click. If you don't see these options, you might want to try just doing something very simple, clicking this option for the mask and then coming back and clicking on black and white. You should see these options. What you want to do is say save black and white as a preset. And we'll call it Amazing Adjustment. It is going to put it here. Don't change that. Let it put it in that folder. Here's all your other stuff here, all your other adjustments. Click Save. Now, go to this one. This one doesn't have to be open, but what we can do is come in here and create a black and white adjustment for this one. Then go here to the preset, and there it is. It will be there in Photoshop every time you do a black and white adjustment layer. And with one click, you got it. 2 different ways to move it. One, you've got to have the image open. The other one, all you have to do is know which one the adjustment's in. On to the next.